Are you ready for this? I'm literally going to show you how you can create the same exact character over and over again. And you can do this for photorealistic looking images as well. But for today, I'm just going to show you exactly how I did it with that post I made showing 3D cartoon characters. Now, let me tell you, everyone that is, writing an entire novel of a prompt that you are, trying to tweak to do everything you want to get this to work, you need to stop writing the novels. Listen, I'm going to show you how to do this with like 2 sentences. That is it. Writing novels is a thing of the past. So what I'm going to show you here is Leonardo AI. I'm sure you guys have all heard of this. If you haven't, you need to use it. I don't use it much anymore, but I've seen a lot of people, talking about this in these groups and talking about, hey, how do you create consistent characters? So I figured I'd just do this real quick for you guys. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna launch the app, get right in here, okay? And this is super simple. You guys are probably gonna laugh because of how simple this actually is. So Leonardo AI is actually free. You can make a free account. They give you 150 credits like every, I don't know, I think it's like 16 hours or something like that. So what you're going to do is you want to come down to image generation. You can see I was playing in here a little bit earlier. Right here is like where you put in your prompt. And then you can like fine tune models where they already have these like models set up, different kinds of like models for different generations and stuff like that. So what you want to find is the 3D animation style. And like I said, you can do this with a bunch of different ones. You don't just have to use the animation style. You can do this with, the photo reel, anything else you want to do. But okay, here, hold on 1 second. I'm going to show you how easy this is. So what we're going to do, literally the key to keeping your character exactly the same is giving it a first and a last name. That is it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you this. A lot of people, I see them put this out there and they're like putting just the first name and they're like making this huge detailed prompt about the appearance and everything like that. You can add more onto the prompt, whatever you want to do, but what I'm going to show you is just super simple. It's going to take 2 minutes. Everyone seems like they've been looking for this forever. So here, let me help you solve the problem real quick. So let's just make someone's name up. We're going to say his name is Josh Smith, right? His name is Josh Smith. Okay, animated. And then what I like to do is I put a comma right after. Super simple. Animated character, right? He's friendly, okay? And he has brown hair. Oop. Blue eyes. And he is 10 years old. Ready for this? And look at this. So Leonardo, like they have token spend. If you do like photo reel and stuff, you can get up to like, I think it's more expensive. It's like 20 some tokens a thing, but every generation. So look, so for this, you can do 2 images, 3 images, 4 images, and also 1. But look, 2 images only cost 2 credits. Watch this. So we're just gonna click generate. Super simple. Let's just do 2. You know what? Let's just do 4 just so we can show a bunch of them. I'm just gonna click generate a couple times. You're gonna see if they're going into queue. And look, this is how big my prompt is. It is not big. It's not like massive. We did not add an action, so it's just going to be pretty basic right now. I'm probably just standing there. Here we go. So it starts creating a character image that is almost the same. Here and there, it might be a little off. We didn't have it doing any actions. You know what I mean? So what we're going to really do is we're going to define what he's doing. You can see like a lot of these work. This one might not work here. You know what I mean? But like I said, you're only spending like 8 credits for 4 of them, so that is nothing. So here, you'll have like this guy. He looks a little older than 10 years old. Let's just do like, we're going to add something at the end. We're going to add a comma, and then we're going to add to this prompt, let's just say like playing baseball or something like that. So I know a lot of you are probably going to want to use this to like create your character books and everything like that. So base it off of like what you are describing in your book or what you're reading in your book. So, or the story you're telling, I should say. And this is pretty basic, like I said. But what you're going to get here is you're going to get a lot of images that are going to look very, very similar. So you can kind of keep the same appearance. And you can see, like, I put, like, nothing in here. Like, I put brown hair, blue. That's where our problem is. Blue eyes, I'm sorry. 10 years old, playing baseball. You could even say, he's tall. You could say he's short. Whatever. You can keep it as simple as you want and get the results that you're looking for. You don't need to, like, put this big, massive prompt in here. And obviously you can use like the alchemy on the side, prompt magic, stuff like that, to enhance these photos. Like sometimes you might get a result that looks kind of like this, where all this is like you know, it didn't look good. But you can see that we have the likeness of this character. So I'm just going to show you an example here. Let's keep it, you know, let's just take this out from here and let's change the name. So I want to show you exactly like how, you know, it'll look if you just change the name. Let's do a girl this time, okay? Her name is Jessica Blot. I have no idea, okay? Funny, happy, right? You can put whatever you want in here. Animated character, blonde hair, brown eyes, and let's just say 18 years old. Maybe it probably should be around the same range. And then say, let's try to do something a little harder. Going through a car wash or something. I have no idea. Click generate. Actually, I'm sorry. I said it took 8 tokens to do 4. It's only 4 tokens. And like what I like to do is really, you know, here she is. We have another character. Okay, so now we're gonna say she's at basketball practice. Click generate, and you can just keep doing this. And I am using a free account here. Like you don't even have to have an upgraded account. I mean, you can get a lot done because they give you 150 credits every so many hours. You can get a lot done for what you're looking at. And then what you can do is like change the. You see how these images are like straight up and down. You can change like the dimensions of the images right over here. If you use Leonardo, I'm sure you know all about this, but I just wanted to make this super easy, super quick, super helpful. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate everyone watching my videos, and thank you very much.